So peeps, Earl Huga Tech, and what we have here today is the new Infinix Note 60 Pro 5G. This guy is a very important release from Infinix because apparently it's the brand's first ever Snapdragon powered phone. It's not the usual Snapdragon 685 or something basic, they actually put a pretty powerful Snapdragon chip inside. But beyond from that, there are much more to talk about the Infinix Note 60 Pro. And we're gonna do a quick rundown of some of the most notable features that we noticed so far. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First things first, that shiny Qualcomm chip. Powering the Infinix Note 60 Pro is the Snapdragon 7S Gen 4. For config, it is available in either 8GB or 12GB of RAM paired with 256GB of internal storage. Being the very first Snapdragon-powered Infinix phone, it did not disappoint, as it should. Everything feels snappy and there weren't any noticeable stutters out of the box. Apps launch quickly and juggling multiple tasks is no hassle. It complements the software quite well despite having so many glass aesthetics all throughout the system. In our Antutu version 11, it garnered a result of over 1 million points, an already solid score that translates well to smooth everyday use and of course, gaming. We tried playing Mobile Legends on this phone and I'm happy to report that it can sustain 120 frames per second of gameplay. Notably, when we really get in the zone playing games, we didn't experience any overheating. Thanks to its 3D Ice Core VC cooling system which can reduce temps by up to 3 degrees Celsius during those intense clashes. Now, the Snapdragon stuff is surely a headliner, but design-wise, this one's also a head-turner. Our unit comes in the solar orange colorway and it definitely screams for attention. There's a protruded camera deco housing, its dual camera setup, and it sports a matte metal frame that's giving premium in the hand.
If orange is not your cup of tea, it also comes in mist titanium and deep ocean blue for a more settled look. There are even Torino black and mocha brown colorways coming later on.
With the addition of the so-called active matrix display, it gets even more interesting. You won't see it at first, but the moment you activate it, an interactive LED interface lights up the camera deco. Just look at it. That's the active matrix display. It can show a range of images from cute pets to recognizable icons for smart notification like calls and timers. I'm all for personalization and it's nice to see that we can add custom signatures, emojis, or even dynamic patterns. This feature is honestly useful for someone like me who always put my phone face down on the table. So I would still know whether there's an important notification that pops up without ever looking at the front screen. Speaking of the screen, it's yet another strong feature of the Infinix Note 60 Pro. It sports a 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with a buttery smooth refresh rate of up to 144Hz. We're also getting up to 4,500 nits of peak brightness here, elevating your Ultra HDR viewing of Netflix shows and whatnot. What I really like about this screen is how insanely thin its bezels are, considering this phone is not even in the premium mid-range category. Its bezel measures only 1.87mm and look virtually uniform on all sides. Thumbs up for that. Interestingly, the phone comes with a 360-degree dual stereo speakers and professional tuning by JBL. I must say the tuning actually works. You can hear some level of cinematic depth and the output sounds clear, making it great for watching movies, listening to music, and immersive gaming. Another highlight of the Note 60 Pro is its cameras. It boasts what Infinix calls the Night Master Cam, which is the 50-megapixel main sensor that can capture more light at about 34% more than other leading sensors. And with the help of pixel binning and optical image stabilization, the Note 60 Pro is able to capture some impressive shots even at night or in low light conditions. Sharpness is still nicely retained and the colors look natural for the most part. To even up your game, there are different camera modes to take advantage of. There's Ultra HD mode at one-time zoom that uses the full capability of the 50-megapixel sensor. So it allows for flexible high-resolution cropping. And for added functionality, the 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens still holds up in quality, albeit you'd most likely use the main sensor for capturing content. Last but definitely not the least is the battery and charging features. The Note 60 Pro packs a 6,500 mAh unit and it's not just any regular battery. Infinix claims that it deployed an industry-first battery self-healing tech inside the Note 60 Pro. It is a software-based feature designed to extend the battery's lifespan to at least 6 years. This means that in every 200 charging cycles, the phone recovers an extra 1% of battery health or so at least Infinix claims. What's really cool about it, aside from having a blazing fast 90 watts of wired charging, the Note 60 Pro also supports 30 watts of wireless charging. We barely see this feature with phones priced under 20,000 pesos. So the Infinix Note 60 Pro clearly has an edge over the competition. Not only that, the phone supports bypass charging, which is another layer of battery protection for that sweet long-term battery health. For some context, bypass charging or pass-through charging is a software feature that lets you set a limit to when the phone would stop charging. Say that's 80%, and once it reaches that amount, the phone would then draw power directly from the wall outlet. This means fewer discharge and charging cycles, less heat generated in the process, and less battery decay. And that's about it for some of the best features from the Infinix Note 60 Pro so far. But before we end this video, we actually now have the pricing info for this phone.
The Infinix Note 60 Pro during its first sale will be priced at just 15,999 pesos for the 8GB plus 256GB config and 17,999 pesos for the 12GB plus 256GB version. You can snag these deals from Infinix official channels via Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop, and the Infinix official website. Additionally, Infinix offers its newest smartwatch, the X-Watch N5 Pro, at a special discounted price for every purchase of the Note 60 Pro. Catch the first official live stream of the Note 60 Pro on Infinix's official TikTok page happening on April 22nd at 8 p.m. Philippine time.
We'll talk more about this phone in depth in our full review, so stay tuned for that. If you find this video helpful or informative, give this a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our future uploads. Don't forget to follow us on our socials and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this is Earl, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!